Chalo, in the last lecture we discussed reactions of alcohol and phenol, where we have to break bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Today, next type of reaction, that is reaction due to breaking of CO bond in alcohol. Note, this CO bond is broken only in alcohol and not in phenol. It is very difficult to separate the group attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom that we discussed in halogen derivative. So only alcohol shows this type of reaction. Already we have studied these reactions. In our textbook they have not given any reaction related to this. Just they said that refer this point of this standard 11th or 12th, whatever, like this. For example, first reaction is with HX. This we discussed in halogen derivatives. Second, with phosphorus halides in halogen derivatives. Dehydration of alcohol in 11th standard. So accordingly they have given explanation. Reaction with HX. HX means halo acid. It is HCl, HBr or HI. We know bond between H and I is very weak. So HI reacts very fast. After that HBr and then HCl. This is the reactivity order of halo acids. What happens in this reaction? ROH reacts with HX. So it is just displacement reaction. OH is replaced by X. We get RX plus H2O. Reactivity of alcohol towards this reaction: tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Okay, next reaction is reaction with phosphorus halides. Two types of phosphorus halides are there, PX3 and PX5. PX3 includes PCl3, PBr3 and PI3, and PX5 includes only PCl5. Other pentahalides do not exist. So what's the reaction? ROH reacts with PX3. All these OH groups, this OH group is replaced by all these halogen atoms. So we get 3 times RX and H3PO3. Always byproduct formed in case of PX3 is phosphorus acid, that is H3PO3. ROH reacts with PCl5. Mixture is heated. OH is replaced by Cl. We get RCl plus HCl plus POCl3. And next reaction, that is dehydration of alcohol to alkene. So this is alcohol. H and OH were to remove. Dehydration, removal, hydra water, removal of water from alcohol. So water molecule were to remove from this alcohol. For that we require dehydrating agent, and dehydrating agent used is either concentrated H2SO4, concentrated H3PO4 or Al2O3 and heat. These are all good dehydrating agents. It's a beta elimination. This OH group is attached to this carbon. So this is alpha carbon, and carbon next to alpha carbon is beta carbon. So H of beta carbon is eliminated. So we call this type of elimination as beta elimination. HOH is eliminated. So valency of both these carbons become free. So these two carbons, they form one more bond between them and we get alkene plus water. Now if there are more options for removal of hydrogen, then major product is obtained according to Sedgwick's rule. Example, they have given dehydration of butane 2-ol. This is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. See, it has 2 beta carbons, CH3 carbon and CH2 carbon. This carbon has 3 hydrogen, this carbon has 2 hydrogen. As per rule, hydrogen should be removed from the carbon having less number of hydrogen, or that alkene is major alkene which has more number of alkyl groups attached to doubly bonded carbon. So 2-butene is major because there are 2 alkyl groups attached to doubly bonded carbons. 1-butene is minor because it has only 1 alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon. So major product is in accordance with Sedgwick's rule. Now they have given mechanism of dehydration reaction. 3-step reaction. So what happens in this dehydration reaction? So first step is formation of protonated alcohol. So this is alcohol. Reaction is carried out in presence of acidic medium, concentrated H2SO4 or concentrated H3PO4. So what happens in the acidic medium? Acid gives H plus ion and this oxygen attacks on this H plus ion. Oxygen have two lone pairs. So it gives its electron pair to this H plus ion. Very fast, quick reaction takes place between alcohol and H plus ion. So that OH group gets this H plus ion and we get this structure which is nothing but protonated alcohol. Alcohol which has accepted proton. So this structure is called as protonated alcohol. Step 2. I told you that in the mechanism, product of one reaction is the reactant of next reaction. So again, this is reactant in the second step. Now after giving electron to hydrogen, oxygen gets positive charge. Means oxygen becomes electron deficient. Now it is in need of electrons. So carbon gives electron to this oxygen and therefore carbon gets positive charge and we get carbonium ion. So that is step 2, formation of carbocation plus water. Water is byproduct, dehydration. Name is dehydration, means water must be there. And third step is formation of alkene or it is deprotonation. So H plus acts as dehydrating agent as well as it's a catalyst, as well as it is a catalyst. So what is the role of catalyst? It is consumed in the first step and regenerated in the next step. So this H plus is removed here, minus H plus, not plus, minus H plus. H plus is removed from this reaction mixture. Now carbon is in need of electrons. So this neighbor carbon gives electron to this carbon by taking it from hydrogen. So hydrogen is removed as H plus. So there is removal of H plus ion. H plus ion is removed from this molecule. So we call it as deprotonation. Protonation, addition of proton, and deprotonation, removal of proton. So proton is removed and double bond is formed between these two carbons and we get alkene as product. This is the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol. First step, protonation of alcohol. Alcohol abstracts that H plus ion and we get protonated alcohol. Second, formation of carbocation. So protonated alcohol. In protonated alcohol, carbon gives electron to that oxygen. So water is formed as byproduct and this is slow step. Means obviously out of these three, it's a rate determining step. We get carbonium ion. And third step is regeneration of proton, or that is deprotonation. So formation of alkene, formation of product. So this hydrogen is removed as H plus by keeping its electron with carbon. So carbon-carbon double bond is formed and we get alkene as product. These are three reactions where OH group is replaced by some other group. First reaction is with HX, we get alcohol is converted into alkyl halide. Second reaction, alcohol is converted into alkyl halide by using phosphorus halides. And third reaction, alcohol is converted into alkene by using concentrated H2SO4 or H3PO4 or Al2O3. So three reactions where CO bond breaks.